In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your HP Smart Tank 5106 printer that is not printing all the colors. We can clearly see the black color is not printing properly. That means printhead needs cleaning. It can happen with the color as well. The process will remain same. To start the process, go to your smartphone, open HP app, and in the app you will see your printer. Click on it. Scroll down until you see the diagnostics, print quality tools. Select it. Click on the last option, view all print quality tools. Go for the last option, clean printhead. This is the automatic printhead cleaning. It will take a little bit time. Cleaning is done. It's going to print the diagnostic sheet. Sometimes it will fix the issue in just one cleaning, or if that doesn't work, then we have to do the level 2 cleaning. Right now we can see the black ink has started to work properly, but still there is little bit missing ink here and also on the top. So we can do the second level of cleaning. Go to the smartphone and click on the level 2 cleaning. It will take little bit extra time from the level 1, but it will not waste a lot of ink. So we can see it has improved a little bit more and all the inks has started to work. In case that doesn't work, then you can go for the next, that is level 3 cleaning. So that's the final cleaning, and then you can repeat the process again few times, and that will help you to fix the missing ink and the clogged ink will be cleared. Once you get a clear printout, click on the done, go back. So this way we can easily fix the printer that is printing with missing ink. Thanks for watching.